why are there no blooms on my okra? I saved seeds from year to year, and this is the first year I've had this problem. This year I used seeds from 2 years ago. Thank you. And this is Matthew from Chattanooga. So, no blooms on my okra. Okra is a self-pollinating plant,
Right.
but no blooms.
I don't think the fact that the seed were old had anything to do with
I
it
don't either.
at all.
Environmental stresses?
Lack of water would do it. I mean, I wonder, it takes 50 to 65 days after planting for blooms to occur.
Right.
And, you know, maybe he's not quite there yet if he planted them late.
Okay.
But lack of water or a nutrient imbalance.
I thought nutrients.
Okra doesn't like a lot of nitrogen.
True.
Those plants really look green.
Yeah, very green.
If he hit it with a lot of nitrogen, and he may have phosphorus or potassium, maybe a little low in that could inhibit
a good point.
it. So that nutrient imbalance could do it. But, you know, I don't know. That's is another thing that will stop it from blooming is if you have a crop on there and you leave them, they get real big, and they just. But that's not his case.
No.
But if you don't harvest them off,
Right.
they will not keep putting.
Okay.
You know.
But I know something else too about okra, because of course my grandparents grew okra forever. It almost doesn't matter though whether you have a bloom or not, you know, because the bloom doesn't last that long anyway. It's just a couple of days or whatever, and it falls off. As long as you have the okra developing, then it will still produce.
Right.
The plant will still produce it.
Like the petals fall off of the bloom
right.
real quick, and so
Yeah,
he may be okay.
Yeah, I think he might be fine, but I do think maybe environmental factors. You know, could it be moisture? Could it be heat stress? I don't know, nutrients.
Yeah.
So those are some of the things that came to my mind. But the old seeds, it's a couple of years old. I didn't think it was that big a deal.
Yeah. Where is he?
Chattanooga.
Chattanooga. I don't know what the rainfall has been there, but I know we had a lot of in our area. We had certainly had adequate moisture. Through the summer, but I'm not sure about over there.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.